Happy Sunday, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is KayPhnae, but all my friends call me Kay. And since you're here, you should stay a while because it's a Kiki over here, honey. So we are actually in the parking lot at church because we are early today, honey. We are early today. So we got time to chit chat just a little bit. I did want to show y'all my coffee cup though, because I thought that was too cute. Look at this. Now my mom got it from, she gets me like a coffee cup or something like that every beginning of the school year. And I think this is like 2, maybe 3 years old. But I thought it was so dope. Yeah. So real cute. Also one of our really close friends, he's actually going to be a groomsman in our wedding. He's getting, what do you call it? I want to say inducted so bad, but I don't think that's the term for it. He's becoming, he's having his thing to be announced as being a deacon today. So I thought that was so tea. That's so tea, because I'm like, now you know important folks in the church, honey. But yeah, so that's why I had to make sure that I was here early. I'd rather be early than to be late on a day like this. So I'm very, very, very excited for him. Also, we had our first full week of school last week, so now I know exactly what I need as far as food and stuff like that to get me through the week. So once we leave church, we're gonna go to a couple places. I'm also planning to get back in the gym this week. So I want to go and look for like one of those little headbands, like the little, y'all know what type of headbands I'm talking about. Since I have the quick weave and it's not a wig where I can't just, remove it or whatever. So I'm gonna go to probably either TJ Maxx or Marshall's, grab one of those. I have ran out of my Black Girl Sunscreen lip gloss, and y'all know that's my favorite. That is my favorite, and I'm not going without it. So I'm gonna hit up Ulta too to make sure I can get some more of that lip gloss. So I'll probably end up going to TJ Maxx then, because TJ Maxx is right next door to my Ulta. So I'll probably do that. Yeah, and then we're gonna go back to the house because I am a firm believer in you win tomorrow tonight. So we're going to go back to the house. We're going to knock out some laundry, and we're going to get lesson planning done, which I probably won't pick y'all up for that because, boo, who wants to see that? But laundry, lesson planning, and then just relax for the rest of the night. Yeah, so I will pick you guys back up a little later. I hope you are having a fantastic Sunday, because mine is starting off good. I'm early for church, honey. See ya later. Come on, watch this. I don't want you to watch me. Tell me my hallelujah. Father, you word. Hey y'all, happy Monday. So look, I have been so productive today, honey. I went to the gym after work. I am doing laundry, so I'm currently doing that right now. So yeah. Oh, and I went to Sam's to re-up on all my adult things. Like, who am I? Who am I, girl? Who am I? Anyway, I got some packages in the mail, and I got some stuff that I want to try with y'all. So the first package I got is from Brunel University. So I told y'all this in the earlier vlog, but just in case you're new, your girl got accepted into her doctorate program. So hopefully this is the last degree that I will get. Hopefully. I think this ends it. So they sent me a package. The first one is a card. It says, "Congrats, KayPhnae. You are Brunel bound. Welcome to the Brunel family. Your journey begins here with a special welcome gift to celebrate your momentous decision. Let the Brunel spirit ignite your dreams and empower your future." So they put a Brunel t-shirt, a notepad, a pen, and a sticker inside of here. So this is the notepad. It just has the emblem underneath there. You can just write on that. So I'm gonna just add this to all my other 50 lemon notepads. Here is the t-shirt. So it just says Brunel bound, I'm sure. Yep. So Brunel bound with the tiger on the back, babe. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I got my specialist from Brunel, so I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, but I don't think I got this the last time. So, and then this is the pen that came in there, and then this is my sticker. I love Brunel. So now, well, let's get into the one that I'm really excited about. So I know that I've talked to y'all about this already on my page, but this is my Miss to Mrs. box for the month. So if you don't know what Miss to Mrs. is, it is a subscription, a paid subscription for bride to bees. And what they do is they send you pretty much like a little bride care package. Either, and it depends on when you sign up and when your wedding is. So it could be every month, it could be every other month, it could be every 3 months, depending on how long your engagement is. Because I have a longer engagement, because I'm getting married next December, mine is every 3 months. So this would technically be my 3rd box. And what they do is, it's for the brides that like can get caught up in life a little bit. So sometimes you may forget to purchase like bridal stuff for yourself. So they send you stuff, and they're supposedly sending you stuff, and it should be like kind of paired up with the time that you should be doing it, or that you should be planning in, if that makes sense. So like the stuff that's in the box should help you with the planning part that you should be in at the moment. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So let's see what we got. So when we open it up, of course, it says for every bride to be. And then we got bride vibes only. Okay, hold up, because I think this might be some good stuff. I think it's fine. And I'm not even gonna say that because I feel like every box is some good stuff. So this is the first thing that I seen, and I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know. So it says Miss to Mrs. and it's like a band. I don't know what this is for, but it is a band. So we'll see. Maybe they have like something in here that tells me what this is for. I have bridal bliss bombs. So this is aromatherapy shower steamers. So, directions. Place one steamer on the floor of your shower. Allow the water to spray directly onto the steamer to activate, inhale, exhale, and let the calming scents help melt your stress away. So these are the steamers. They look like this, and they're in the shape of diamonds. I think they're super duper cute. Let's see. Bride vibes only, a tank top. Now when you first get the subscription, they do ask you questions like what's your size, what, like the stuff that you like, you know, like do you like t-shirts, cups, stuff like that. So it says bride vibes only, and it's a tank. And my stuff, I got all my stuff in extra large. Ooh, and it's mint green. So it's just a tank, bride vibes only. Next thing in the box. Oh my God. So this is a Miss to Mrs. Seize the Day glass water bottle. So it's a 20 fluid ounce. Now, if you know me, baby, you know I love a glass bottle. I ain't even gonna say a glass bottle. I love a bottle. I love any type of bottle. I'm not gonna lie. And if it's engraved in any type of way, I love that. So it has the time. Okay. Has all the times on the back. And then it has start your day with lemon water. Take care of your body. Make yourself a priority. Keep calm and plan on stress less. So this is the back part of the bottle. And then this side is the actual times. So they have it going all the way down. And then at the bottom, they tell you to refill it and start back over at the top. Bride on the move, bride vibes, bucket bag. Now, listen. If I don't do nothing, I'm going to get me a water bottle. And I'm going to get me a doggone bag. And listen, this subscription has literally paid for itself. Because, honey, is this a bride bag? This is a bride bag. Now, if you know, I already have one that has the pink, move back, that has the pink bride across the middle. So this one has bride vibes. Now, the one that I have with the pink bride across the middle, I use that for like all of my wedding planning stuff. So like my binder, my notebooks, my pens, pencils, our premarital counseling, homework and stuff. I put all of that in there. So this can be my cutesy bride bag, you know? Ooh. And of course it's weight. So I will try very, very hard to like not get this dirty, but I can't make no promises. So that's pepper down there, y'all. Sorry. I will say on the side it has little thingamajigs where I can pull it. Yeah, I can pull like this. So it makes it a bucket bag because I'm pulling it like this. Oh, okay, yeah. I like that. So that's what's in my, that's what was in the meal. I'm so excited. Y'all ain't gonna lie, the packages have been packaging for me. For me. I don't know about y'all, but it's been packaging for me. Now look, when I went to the store yesterday, when I went to the store yesterday, I went to TJ Maxx because I wanted to get me some more shirts to go to the gym in. So like, oversized shirts or whatever, which I went to the gym today. And I felt like I was kind of cute. And because I was kind of cute, I did my walk straight through. Now, I did watch some YouTube while I was walking. That may have made it a little bit easier. But I did my walk straight through. But while I was in TJ Maxx, y'all look what I found. The Dubai chocolate, y'all. The Dubai chocolate. So we gonna try it. So we're just gonna, because they have the squares already, so we're just gonna break one of the squares. Get down, get down. Dogs are always trying to stop. Get down. Dogs are always trying to like take the chocolate, and they can't have chocolate. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's giving pistachio. It is. You smell it? Yeah, it's definitely giving pistachio. So let's see. And honestly, I'm gonna just taste it. Okay. Listen, my taste buds may be just very childish. I don't know, but this right here, 1 out of 10. See, even Pepper agree with it. 1 out of 10. Only reason why I give it 1 is because it has milk chocolate on there, and I love milk chocolate. Give it 1 out of 10. I can't believe they did that. And maybe I just don't like pistachio. Maybe if you like pistachio, you would like it. I've never tasted a grinded up cigarette, but that's what it tastes like. It tastes like a grinded up cigarette with milk chocolate around it. Ugh. Ugh. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all my stuff and then try this chocolate out. I'm so mad it's nasty. I'm so mad it's nasty. I'm so mad it's nasty. And I was supposed to take it to Web and let her try. I'm not even finna do that to her because this is disgusting. Okay, look. Hear me out. I know I probably look a hot mess, but I got another package. And I know. But whatever. This one, tea. And I've been looking, and it's from TikTok Shop. I've been looking at it forever. By the way, it is Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I've been looking at it on TikTok since forever. And I finally said, you know what? I'm going to just get it. I mean, if I feel like if I'm always going back to it, I keep going back, I might as well get it. And I ordered it, and it came today. It was supposed to actually show up on the 14th, but it came today. Okay, so first, it comes in that little pink bag. It comes in bubble wrap. And then this is what it looks like. Has a little sticker. Says handmade with love. And I can't wait till y'all see it, because baby, it is tea, honey. So before I show y'all what it actually is, it also comes with two little cards. The small one says, "Hey reader," so you know it's something to do with a book. "Hey reader, we hope you love your blank as much as we loved creating it. Any issues, allow us." And then, you know, she got the email or whatever to contact her. And then the big card says, "Once upon a pretty little time, fashionable readers wore their books as accessories. Imagine this: brunch in a chic cafe with a good book, dressed in a fashionable look." So if you haven't already figured out what I got, honey, I got the bookmark, and I got it in purple, of course, because what other color did you think I was gonna get? And it is super cute. So it's supposed to give you like the fashionable look. Now I will say, like, the beads or whatever, of course they're not heavy because it's a freaking bookmark. You don't want that to be super heavy. But you're supposed to be able to hold it like a purse. Like this. And of course, you know, it's a bookmark, so your book will actually be on there. But yeah, it's giving fashion. It's giving fashion. And again, this is it. And it does have like little clamps on there. So like if I buy more and I want to kind of change them out, I can, because it clamps. So it'll open and I can take it off or whatever. But yeah, I love it. 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 I had to show y'all that because I was like, ooh la la. The girlies is gonna love this one. Especially my readers. The girlies that read for me, I knew y'all was gonna love that one. So I had to show y'all. So I'm about to go get in the shower because, baby, I done been out and around the town. Fresh from the gym. And look, every time I came in encounter with somebody, I was like, listen, everybody wanted to hug me. I said, hey, don't hug me too tight. I'm coming from the gym.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl.
Happy Saturday, y'all. So let's go spend a day together. All right, dilly dally pack secured. Now we are headed to our first stop, which is Ulta Beauty. Okay, so we're about to go in the store, but before we go in there, y'all, these headphones, I know I'm always talking about these headphones when I walk, but having these headphones while you are shopping, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend, because you get to have your soundtrack while you're shopping and you can still hear what's going on. So find you a good playlist, get you some of these headphones, and then go dilly dally, honey. Just okay. Just quick little pit stop. All right, let's go to Ulta, honey. What it do?
What y'all know about it? Supermodel, fresh out of Elle magazine. My whole bottles, look pictures, I give me one. Bad in a mother. Oh, stop it, bad girl. If you're a bad girl, players when you see me, act like you know me. Yeah. I keep $1 worth of dime. No camping ain't easy. For all my chicks in the club, who knows how to cut a rug? If you're a bad girl, get me bad girl. Ooh, work me, baby. Say get it the way I'm ready to be bad. I need a bad girl. Get me bad girl. One sexy lady, come down with me. I'm ready to be bad. I need a bad girl. Bad baby, get me bad girl. Now I've seen a lot of problems, you know. I don't wanna call everyone.
All right, y'all. So we are back from our dilly dally trip, honey. Dilly dally trip, low key turned into something totally different, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now I did show y'all the stores and stuff that we went in, so we're not gonna do no full fledged haul or anything like that, because I am gonna do that for my TikTok, so I'll be able to put it up on the side. But let me just tell you about my day. So it was pretty dope. First of all, I highly recommend everybody to have a little dilly dally day once a week. Now, does that mean you need to go and spend all the coins once a week? No. Your dilly dally day can consist of literally you going and freaking getting ice cream. You go get ice cream and then you window shop. That's the problem. The girls don't like to window shop anymore. And that's the problem. Cause why don't you like to window shop? You know what I'm saying? Like what you mean? What you mean you only like to go in stores when you buying something? What? That mean you just buying anything. Because I feel like, now this is me, I don't know. But I feel like you should not buy something that you haven't been thinking about for at least a week. And when I say at least a week, I'm giving you too much when I say a week. But like, really, you should not be out here buying something like the first time you see it in the store, you just snagging it up. Why are you buying that? You don't even know if you really like it for real. This your first time seeing it. No, baby. Y'all need to go back to window shopping. That's why y'all be buying stuff and you got to take it back because you don't even like it for real. But yeah, so that is me. I am a true window shopper. I'm going to look something up. I'm going to like get on TikTok, see what they say about it. If any of my friends have it or whatever the case may be, I'm going to do all that, honey, because what? No. Now, I'm not going to give y'all a whole thing, but I did want to show y'all these boots, child. I got some boots from Shoe Department. Chef's Kiss. Now, they are cowgirl boots. And before you say something to me about it, I done had my little boots since before Beyonce. So I'm going to have them after her too, honey. Leave me alone. It's going to forever be Cowboy Carter for me. But anyway, they came right on time because tonight we're actually going to, we're going bar hopping for my bestie's wife's birthday. So we're going bar hopping and it's a cowgirl bar hop. So these came right on time, but it's also around the corner from fall, honey. Y'all look at these. Tell me these are not fire. And I don't even know if y'all can really get the detail with the pearls inside of the gold up here. Like, come on now. And check the heel. That's how you know it's a good fall boot. It's a good fall boot if that's how high it is. Ain't nobody truly walking in them super duper tall. Baby. They got them boots on for 5 minutes or just for the doggone picture. You need something practical. So I got those, and I'm really, 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 really excited. I'm gonna wear them tonight. So hopefully they don't hurt my feet. And also, pro tip, baby, if you are getting boots, go a half size up. Shoot, some of them you might need to go a whole size up, because getting boots in your size, they're gonna hurt your feet. Like immediately, they're gonna hurt your feet. Why would you do that? You know what I'm saying? Why would you do that? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff together, put up, put away, and I'll catch you boys when it's time for us to go out, because we is going out tonight, honey. All right, y'all, we are dressed and ready to go out, honey. I feel we ate, honey. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all gotta check the boots though, cause that's the real. That's the real. Y'all see that? Oh yeah. Yeah. The face is sitting, and honey, the girlies is giving. I used the Fenty Butter Drop, the salted caramel, and then I sprayed the Forever Mood She Was Here. Jackie and Rihanna together. Can do no wrong, honey. Can do no wrong. Anyway, we are out to go have a hold down showdown, honey.
Oh, baby. Yeah, murder egg. Love you, babe. I think I love you, babe. Oh, baby. Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's rock. Come rock for me, oh, baby. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Over me, oh, baby. Can you take control for me? I just wanna love you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Stop for me, oh, baby. Stop for me. Take it to the top for me. I just wanna love you, baby. Thinking baby. Over me, oh, baby. Over me. I just wanna love you, baby. Can we get it together?